Hello and welcome. I can't believe I forgot to tell you about the hover effect in CSS. This is very important and basic, and it is very essential that you should know that if you look at any website, you might have noticed that some website, when you hover your mouse over something, it change. Either it change the color or the background or anything, something change, or they change the shape. That is how hover effect work, and we use the pseudo element again to apply hover effect on any element. For example, let's say we have an item here, and inside the item we have paragraph. Let's select the item and give it a little style. For now, we say the item is a class. You put a dot here, then we apply a little style here. Let's say it has padding of 40 pixel all around. It has a width of 400 pixel and background color of blue. For now it is just fine. And if I open it in the browser, let's refresh the page. This is our box. What if I want to change the shape a little bit? What if someone hover over my item? Let's say we should change the background color. How you do that? It is very easy. You just say, if someone hover over the item, now I will apply all these properties. For example, if I say the background color should change to red, by default it is okay. You can write background or background color, both of them just work just fine. So now if anyone hover over the item, the color will change, the background color. If I refresh the page, as you can see, it just changed. This is how it works. Let's say you apply any other property. Let's say you just apply the border radius property. We have already discussed about this one, border radius, and you say we will apply border radius of 40 pixel. If I refresh, as you can see, it changed the shape like that. Now you can change the color. For now I say, let's say the color should change to white as well, and even you can change the width if you want. The width should be 500 if someone hover over this. As you can see, it changed the shape like this. This is how hover effect is going to work. In the same way, you should know some other elements too. For example, you have an a link. Let's say it is going to go to HTTP dot Google. Let's say we open the Google. As you can see, here is the link, and what I'm going to show you is that the color of link is changed. It is because we have visited this one. We have some pseudo element for visited. Let's say you have a and say visited. If someone you can change the color of any visited link. A means the anchor tag, and visited means if someone visit that, just change the color of the link from that dark blue to something like yellow. Yellow is not a very good color. It's just fine for now. Now as you can see, the color is like this. If I refresh it, now the color changed to yellow. Now this design is not going to apply for any other link. For example, we say http w dot somewhere like this .com. If I refresh the page, as you can see, the color of the second link have not changed because it is not a visited link. Visited link means links you have already visited. So that is another thing you should know about this one. And one more property you should learn is how you take out that underline from that under the link. Every link has an underline. Of course, you can say text decoration none. You give them text decoration none. Now as you can see, the Google, oh yeah, still it has there, because we have said the visited link should have text decoration of none, and it should just work just fine, and it should take it out because link, it is still here. And if it does not work for you like that, just inspect element and see what happens here. If I close this one, as you can see, text decoration is none, and it has not applied because by default the text decoration is equal to underline. if you come here, and you should specifically select the item, that way it will be better. Any element, just write a text decoration is none. Now if I refresh the page, now any of those links, they do not have any underline under them. So that was about hover effect and some other pseudo elements. So I hope it has been informative for you. Thank you for watching.